Okay, so as you can see, some students are sitting in the bus. You can see the driver, you can see the passengers, okay? And then there are two students whose name is Prachin and Samrat. They are back from their school. And there was a match, cricket match, and they are very tired. They are back from the school. Let's see what happened with them, okay?
The match today was so much fun. I'm glad we got seats. I'm exhausted.
Me too, my legs are aching from running.
Okay, and the time was going, and suddenly on one bus stop, the bus stops, and the two elderly person enters into the bus.
It's very crowded today. It's hard to stand while the bus moving.
And the elderly woman said, yes, the bus is really truly crowded. Hold your bag tightly. And then the two students, Prachin and Samrat, are watching them. Let's see what do they...
Namaste, uncle. Please take my seat. I'm there and I can stand.
No, child. You must be tired from school. You be seated.
No, uncle. Our teacher taught us that respecting and helping is our elders, is our first duty. It would make us happy if you sit.
And please sit here. Let me help you with your bag.
So as you see, the two students who were young and they are able to stand. So whenever, what we understand from this act, so whenever we go or we are going to any place, so if you see any elderly woman, man or any small kids, so it's our duty to what? To give them a seat in a bus. Okay, now let's move to our second scene.